First at 4, a former U.S. attorney finds herself on the other side of the law, facing felony charges after allegedly leaving the scene of a car crash.
Police arrested Jennifer Lowry, seen here in the booking photo, for not helping the driver she's accused of hitting. The crash happened after 8 o'clock last Thursday night at Asbury Street and Memorial Drive in Houston's Rice Military neighborhood.
Orko Manna is live there now after speaking with the other driver and Lowry's attorney. Orko.
Well, the man who was hit during this accident tells me that he always drives along this stretch from Memorial Drive, but he never expected something like this to happen. He says Lowry drove away after the crash and he wants to know why, but Lowry's attorney tells me she thought the driver left. The collision caught on camera. Surveillance video shows the moment a vehicle crashes into another car last Thursday night at the intersection of Asbury Street and Memorial Drive.
Luckily I didn't, die or didn't bleed out or anything.
Gabriel Fonseca was driving the car that was hit. These pictures showing the aftermath. He says he was heading to Memorial Park after church to go for a run.
All I remember is the corner of my eye, I see a sedan coming and didn't have any time to react.
Fonseca tells me his ears were ringing as he pulled into a parking spot just down the street before calling 911. He says a witness told him they saw the woman responsible for the crash.
I attempted to start walking towards him. I looked around, didn't see anybody, didn't see any other cars that had hit me.
The surveillance footage shows the other driver stopped for less than 3 minutes and then drove away. Behind the wheel of that car, Jennifer Lowry, the former U.S. attorney for the Southern District of Texas.
I just think it's kind of ironic, like her job was to prosecute criminals and hold people accountable.
Court records reveal a witness pointed police to Lowry's home after seeing the damaged car pull into the driveway. Lowry was arrested Monday but bonded out, appearing in court this morning charged with a felony for failing to stop and render aid.
Yeah, it's a really unfortunate accident. Miss Lowry didn't commit a crime.
Lowry's attorney speaking exclusively with me, calling this a misunderstanding.
She didn't see the gentleman drive a couple blocks down the road. She thought he had taken off. She had stopped. She called her husband, and her husband said, come to the house.
What's your reaction to that argument?
I never saw her after the fact. I never saw any attempt to make any contact with me.
Lowry's attorney tells me that this case will be presented to a grand jury. Lowry is expected to be back in court in July. Reporting live this afternoon from Houston's Rice Military area, Orko Manna, KHOU 11 News.